What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy KashDaKoolDad here, back again with another video. This time I'm here with my lights for my Dodge Ram. You know, Tom Brady right there. Shout out to my boy Tom Brady for going to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. I commend you on that, and much success on your new adventure, man. But yeah, man, I'm just here. Like I said, man, I got my headlights in. I had some other headlights in, but they didn't send me all the parts, so I had to send them back. So it's not too much of a big deal, but YOLO. As you can see, we got the family over at the house, the quarantine house. You know, we got the Mustang in the background. Of course, she always in the background. My mama truck, my wife truck, and I just put this up yesterday for the kids. That's for the kids, you know, so. It's hot out here, as you can see. I'm sweating, but yeah, man, I have my headlights here. I'm about to sit you guys down on the tripod, and I already started working on it. I took the grill off, as you can see already. I took the grill off, but that's about it. I took the grill off. I undid the lights, which are, the bolts, which are here and here on both lights, and they have 4 bolts, which is here, here, and here. 2 up top, 1 on each end. So I did that. I just started the process because, like I said, I already had it started for my other lights. They didn't send everything. So I wound up switching the lights and did a whole new 360 on everything. So if y'all could, just watch the video. Hopefully y'all enjoy. If y'all do, give me a thumbs up. And go from there. And they're 10 millimeters also. So one light is here, the other, one screw is here, the other screw is basically here, and they have a screw here, 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 and here. So all these screws are 10 mils. They all are 10 mils, so you get to keep that 10 mil out, baby. Hopefully everybody still have their 10 mil. If you don't have your 10 mil, just hit me up. I got a few of them. I can let you slide. But man, hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Let's install these lights, baby. Alright, so YouTube, hopefully y'all got a good angle. Y'all can hear me well. First, let me take the light out, and then I can show y'all that light. This, YouTube, is my old light. As you can see, I get a lot of water inside of here, so I'm gonna have to reseal this light. And then once I reseal it, now I either give it to someone or I sell it to someone. It's not really such of a big deal for me. So, you know, if I pay it forward, YOLO, somebody else need it more than I do, I help those people out, you know. Compared to that, yeah, I think we have a winner. They get a truck a lot of class, So let me put y'all back down here and continue the install for these lights. Yep. As long as Daddy opens it by the truck, I'm sure.
You're doing the part where you go and then it comes to the
It's on right now. My daughter, you do. Now for the intros, and then we're done. And like that, YouTube, we are done. Transformed the truck from ugly to ugly. Nah, I'm messing with you. Transformed the truck from beauty to beauty. It's nice now. I like it. What y'all think, YouTube? I think it's a good fit. It look good. Fitment is pretty decent. I mean, got a little bit at the back, but you know, they aftermarket light. So what do you expect? You know. Shout out to my daughter. She's on the trampoline, get a little jump session. But yep, that's it, YouTube. I think that's it. My baby's jumping. The cars, the truck itself, the Mustang, my junky garage. You know, but yeah, I think they look good. Leave a comment down below. Leave a thumbs up if y'all think it look good. Leave a comment if y'all think it look ugly. Now, since my lights are in, I could be doing a part 2 video to this. Since the sun is out, I'll probably wait till the sun is going down and show y'all how the headlights look under the low light from no sun at dark time type thing. And I'm also wash the truck for you, so look out for that video. And like I said, YouTube, I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed y'all. I need y'all to look alive, because this is where y'all going. Look alive. Thank you.